The people them pan TikTok, when they come on to kids, them have little them sympathize kids and them when them say, you know, say I pity them here. Oh God, man, give them something, man. Silver lining, thank you, my baby. Yeah, man. You use the pit them, you use them, and every minute you put them in a blood clot background. A peer use me see you use them. You know scrape where you scrape and go on. Scrape where you scrape and go on. You sit down here, you get comfortable with them, but you're going to TikTok liar, and you're going to blood clot. Thank you, my baby. You're going to TikTok liar, and from TikTok liar, you're going to Sky Diamond. Rosealee, 2 blood clot enemy them. You run up in her. Me glad me not enough. You could run in on me.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We are blessed. You also know the story incomplete. A minute up on the beat. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People, you know, say Rosealee and AKEEM, them gone. One villa in our North Coast, see what I say, and left Jakes with the snakes. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because right now, Shay bust it up, you know. You know what I mean? And I'm inclined to believe Shay. I'm not gonna lie to you, because boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I can't believe so Jakes is so full. You know what I mean? And you know, all type of scamming allegations is coming out. You know them say Chev, you know, had 2 accounts, one with Jake's name and one with herself. And took out the one with, you know, she and Jake's name and send it to herself. So a lot of people is distance themselves from all type of scamming allegations. And you know them say, oh boy, they get locked up. And them they need 5 bills and all type of things. You know what I mean? Yeah, one bagger and one people. So that's like I can share the video from now. And let's hear what go on for that to go on. You see me?
Come with that run where your blood clot. Cause some stay. Not because through me and Rosealee no blood clot friend. You gonna run come and me run take care. You mad. What? I should have me a run come to make a run where your bumbo clot. You couldn't come here so to me come and me nah look. I true me not enough. I'm gonna run into people to girl and boy. That's why I'm glad all me stay. No, look here now. Big batty wall here in. All of a sudden Peter Gay become a liar. How the fuck that GX? How the fuck is that? So the other day when you come on live, you saw me know so on criminal elements. What do you come on live? Your family them come on live, come say them want 5 bills to pay a liar. A Peter Gay? Humble clot. Bumbo pussy blood clot. Bumbo blood clot. A Peter Gay the liar? Oh. As she are the kings, as she work as a king's counsel. What they say? A Peter Gay the king's counsel. Canadian floor clot. So she name? What's she name, baby? What do man name? Canadian floor clot? What's your name, Chad? What the last name? Fear Claw. Canadian Fear Claw. So what do you when your family them come live and say you get locked up and them want money? The lockup was true. They get locked up for true. Yeah. So that I never lie. And your family come blood clad $500 US the day upon the live. It was to pay Peter Gay, Canadian floor clot. It was to pay Peter Gay. Liar is the one who put you on to Peter Gay for say you have one liar. You get mixed up with Peter Gay now. Or Rose put him on to Peter Gay. Somebody explain. He said it's Rose liar. Jake say Rose liar. How the blood clot is? My dear, my love. Jake say is Rose liar. Me have sense, you know. Jake say a Rose liar. Oh, Jake say tell you say a Rose liar. Jake's a liar. Jake's a liar. Jake is a liar. When me hear Jake's come talk about, oh, the Airbnb what me did there, me share it with Malaya. You share it with Peter Gay. Eh? TikTok liar give Jakes that liar. TikTok, I don't know liar. Just say TikTok liar give Jakes Peter Gay for pretend says him liar. TikTok liar give Jakes to Peter Gay for pretend say I'm liar. The whole of them planet. Jakes, TikTok liar, Peter Gay, the whole of them planet for say Jakes have a liar. Do man all send voice note, here on the voice note. Please don't answer them because they're trying to create a platform. Platform. And when they speak, don't respond. Response to them. Don't respond to them. What the fuck you mean, Peter Gay don't respond to them? And they're trying to create a platform. What? And when the voice note play, who not try take out on yourself out tight. TikTok liar already think yourself already. Who listen when TikTok liar say? Who no listen to Jake's liar? Say Jake's liar am King's Council. We hear Peter Gay voice night, right? We go back and hear Jake say is him King Council. Him liar, big liar. We go back and hear liar say, oh, this is Peter Gay. The whole on the plan bomba clad it. Here TikTok liar now. Peter Gay is Jake's liar. Then here she try when she realized that she fuck up and she realized she contradict herself. Here or no. Oh, I don't know if Peter Gay is in contact with this person. Maybe they're related, Katie and Floor Clot. Maybe them related. I don't know how them combine together. But I just know that something is fishy. Liar, you don't tell who say Peter Gay or Jake's liar. How come now you go say you don't know if Peter Gay you don't know if Peter Gay and the person combine together. That is Katie and Floor Clot. Does that make any sense? You don't already admit and tell us say Peter Gay is blood clot Jake's liar. So why you try? You realize say you sink yourself right there, so. You realize you sink yourself right there, so now. So you try for pretty it up and draw out yourself. You realize that the steam hot. All of a sudden, TikTok liar try to draw out herself out of the situation. All of a sudden, Sky Diamond took her live and start ball. She want closure. She want this. Them set her up. She don't know nothing what go on. This, that. Rah. Te. Ever study the two on her draw to no blood clot self and the whole on her work together. The whole on her work together. It's just that Rosealee drought herself from early. But the whole on her work together. Cause remember, you don't want to bring down Rose. So what you do now? You don't come and a blood clot Jakes. Sky Diamond and TikTok liar is the mastermind. Don't tell me anything. Don't tell me anything. Sky Diamond and TikTok lawyer is the mastermind in all of this. Don't tell me anything. None can tell me nothing else. Sky Diamond and TikTok lawyer is the mastermind in all of this. The two of them. Wanna stop draw one out of one and one. Wanna come here. Oh, it's TikTok lawyer is the mastermind. Sky Diamond too. Why y'all taking her out? Remember that girl bill receipt on spot. Remember Sky Diamond come put out the blood clot birth paper with Peter Gay. Wanna go like you no sense, so you can't trick me. Remember Sky Diamond post the picture. Say Peter Gay there on beach. I want me take the picture and put it on Google. It come from Pinterest. I want girl from Africa. What to the man? Remember Sky Diamond put the medical record on our blood clot our live one day and somebody screenshot it and screen record and I saw come me take it and blood clot realize that this medical record come from Australia. Stop being like you no sense. So when you come here and try to look one person for blame Sky too. She and liar work together. She and liar work together. Remember the two of them I try convince you say Peter Gay real. You realize anybody called Peter Gay name it Chigga Sky. It Chiggar. When I tell Rose called Peter Gay name and Sky cuss. She cussed to she nearly bust to bumbo clat and she said, don't call Peter Gay name. Don't call her name. Rosealee. Don't remember that make sure Rosealee kick off, you know. Don't forget. Don't. Where you call Peter Gay name for? Don't call bumbo clat Peter Gay. And she go on. Yeah. She get angry, mad, cross, miserable from blood clot Rosealee because them call Peter Gay name. When you see liar behave so? Liar never behave so. Ask her alone a kill up. She nearly shoot up the blood clot ceiling. The way she mad. Send me silver lining, send me. Send me upon the Shay and Queenie page. Wanna forgot? Rosealee just call her name and I want something. And she nearly tear down the bumbo clad place. She nearly tear down the place. So no come here, come talk about it's TikTok liar is the mastermind behind everything. Sky Diamond too. That so good girl bill receipt pan people. Come and tell lie pan people. The two of them are the mastermind because them claim to want bring down Rosealee, so the two of them work together. One realize that them can't get much information as what them want. And the next one realize that she can't get information as much. Because guess what? The two of them was friends and them start to clash. Why? Why them start to clash? Because Kaya say, GX itch up a liar. You look? TikTok liar say, you know what TikTok liar say? Oh, GX gonna sassy. Why GX gonna sassy no and sassy animal, sassy and sassy. Everything is about sassy and Chevy. Cause TikTok liar is a girl like this, you know. Yes, when you and her are friend, and yes, when you and her get closer, she want know people business, and she can't really know the people them bitch. She start get agitated, she start get mad, like she said the fuck. Let me tell you why I know this. I suck my shoes to do Jaden. Jaden tell me say, TikTok liar used to get mad. And say, call Zozo no. Make him come pa my live. Make him, she want to know, she have to keep up with things. Like she need to know. If she not really keep up with it, with the story, and you not really tell her what she want to hear, I that's so she mad. She get mad right there so. So that me realize now where I go on with TikTok liar. Because she realized that jealousy no, you know, she said, what? Why GX? Remember say me and GX in a box. Me I tell people say, give GX this. Go up on GX live. Send GX gift. You know, she go around the place and a par with him and so. And she realized that GX and her are not so close again. So what should you know? She start to get mad because she not hear the things them about Rosealee where she want to hear, so she can come on live and ball out everything. Well, I'm gonna check my message. I could go around blood clot me. When you text me? Which page you text me upon? Me not see nothing, you know. The Shay and Queenie? Hold on. Me not see it, you know. Hold on. Mama go in your message so she can check it. Okay. I see it. Alright. I see it. Alright. Hold on. We're gonna look for KD and floor clot. I see it. I get one link. Hold on. Yeah, we'll look for KD and floor clot. Alright. How the last name spell? Man, it's Peter Gay text me. Hold on. Me. Alright, wait. Where's Fear Claw? FAIRCLOUGH. Alright. Yeah, may I get it check out? Somebody a check it out for me, yeah, I see it. Somebody a check out the liar for me. I could see if she blood clot real. Anyways, yeah. What me did I say now? Yeah, me did I talk about TikTok liar or she stay. Because you remember the group where TikTok liar did have? I'ma mash up the group. The people them they come talk say when you can't.
Put in the comment section if you had came to the same conclusion. I know you know why me always say I cannot buy what these T-listers is selling me. Because them full of blood clot liar stories. It's a master. But we still out here to do the Lord's work and be that messenger. So only do the right thing and follow the king. Subscribe to all of my platform. Them turn on the notification bell and press all there for you be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.